Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. You already know that you can use your smartphone as a camera, web browser, GPS. But did you know you can also use this thing as your wallet? Here to show us how is Matt Pollard from Bank of Hawaii. Aloha, Matt.
Aloha, Steve.
So help us through this. Your phone can now become your wallet, Matt?
That's right, Steve. A convenient digital wallet. Depending on what kind of phone you have, you can use it to make debit or credit card purchases in person or online, or even pay a friend.
So how does it work?
Yeah, so most digital wallets use near-field communication technology that allows your phone to communicate with a checkout device just by holding it close to the reader. Just wave your phone and you've paid.
Can you use it at a lot of stores?
Yes, so digital wallets can be used at more and more locations. And in addition to credit and debit cards, you can add membership cards, boarding passes, and even concert tickets.
So are digital wallets safer to use because they have facial recognition or fingerprint readers?
Yeah, so if somebody finds your phone, they won't be able to just unlock it and access your financial information. Also, digital wallets are safer to use in merchants because instead of submitting your actual credit card number, the wallet exchanges a unique signal for each transaction.
Does it work for digital online shopping?
It does. Once you've set up your digital wallet, you can also use it for online shopping whenever the merchant provides that option on the checkout page. This can save you lots of time from having to fill out all of those fields manually.
Yeah, sounds like a pretty convenient option, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's one less thing that you have to carry around and remember.
All right. Matt Pollard, thanks for teaching us about digital wallets.
My pleasure. To learn more about digital wallets, visit boh.com/resources.
All right, thank you, Matt, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.